I'm Stephen Bullock, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Power Curbers. Behind me is the Power Curber 5700B, the #1 selling curb and gutter machine in the world. We're proud of this machine and how it's helped our customers grow and profit. The newest generation, the 5700 Super B, was introduced in early 2004. We took our customers' ideas and comments, and with this new machine we increased the horsepower by 50%. We also increased operator visibility and comfort, and we made the machine more easy to service than ever before. For the next few minutes, we're going to show you the features of the 5700B that have made it contractors' first choice, and we're also going to show you a variety of applications in which you can use the 5700B. Thank you for your interest in Power Curbers, and we hope you enjoy the video.
Since its introduction in 1985, the Power Curber 5700 has been the #1 choice of successful curb and gutter contractors all over the world. The 5700 Super B is the newest generation of this productive machine with 50% more horsepower and other new features that translate into even higher production and lower operating cost. To be #1, you have to know what your customers want. For more than 50 years, Power Curbers has been dedicated to meeting the needs of people who buy our machinery. We listen to our customers and we take their suggestions and feedback seriously. Since its introduction in 1994, the 5700B has taken the market by storm, outselling the competition over 2 to 1. It's the largest selling curb and gutter machine in the world and most versatile, high-production slip-form machine on the market. We are convinced that the 5700 Super B will significantly increase your production and lower your operating cost, giving you the competitive edge in today's tough market. John Humphreys is one of the largest curb and gutter contractors in Georgia. He runs 2 of our machines all the time. Here's what John has to say.
We run Gameco 6000s and we run a Commander 3. We feel like this machine is more versatile, smaller, more compact, easier to load, easier to haul, easier to run, large enough to do the job. We pour probably 250,000 feet of curb a year with each machine in the Atlanta area. They load so much easier, they transport around town so much easier, they take so much less space in the area to work with. We don't feel like there's a curb and gutter machine on the market anywhere that can compare to the 5700B today. That's why we own 2 of them.
The most dramatic innovation of the Super B is the auger conveyor. This fully enclosed auger conveyor system gives you several advantages. First, it constantly mixes the concrete, giving you a consistent mix. The separation of the concrete caused by belt conveyors is eliminated. Consistent concrete means consistent quality curb and higher production rates. Expensive handwork is also reduced, lowering your cost per foot. The auger and hopper hold 1 cubic yard of concrete. Turning a tight radius or pouring through a cul-de-sac is quicker and easier since you don't have to reposition the ready-mix truck as often. The charge hopper on the auger conveyor is low to the ground and gives added flexibility in positioning the concrete truck. Less space is required on the job site and the chute man can be safely located in full view of the operator. The auger can handle up to 2.5 cubic yards of concrete per minute, increasing your production without added cost. Now the Super B's hydrostatic direct drive is better than ever. It's even more reliable and requires less maintenance, saving expensive downtime. Earl Stuckey with Stuckey Construction has been a Power Curber owner for years. Listen to what Earl has to say about the auger.
It gives you a lot more production and speed and quality because it keeps your mix from separating. The labor savings on this machine, where if you can cut out a couple of men a year, you take 2 men that's cut away from this machine that you don't have to have. Just 2 or 3 years, and that labor savings alone will virtually pay for the machine.
The auger conveyor makes the Super Bee even more versatile. It can be hydraulically adjusted to fit varying job conditions and applications. Kevin Albanese with Albanese Construction in Santa Clara, California, owned machines with conveyor belts before the 5700B. He says that there is no comparison.
Worry about it out in the field like we did conveyor belts. I mean, there was times we'd have to try and replace a conveyor belt with mud on the job and get a big tear in it, but this auger, it keeps the mud really consistent, keeps all the rocks in the concrete. It goes a lot faster, and it provides a lot smoother mix for finishing in the mold.
The auger enclosure hydraulically opens, providing easy access for cleaning. With the high-pressure washer, excess concrete can be washed out through the clean-out trap on the lower end of the auger. The trimmer is the most powerful in its class. The standard 42-inch wide carbide trimmer has 26,000 inch-pounds of torque and can handle the toughest subgrade. Subgrade preparation is less critical, saving time and money. The trimmer design provides increased versatility. Lateral side shift gives you 80 inches of movement. The trimmer can be side shifted to the left to trim and pour a 5-foot radius. For transport, the trimmer shifts completely under the Super Bee for hauling at legal width and without disassembly. Quick and easy. 16 inches of hydraulic vertical lift is also a standard feature. It's perfect for rehab work where trimming below grade and adjacent to an existing street are common. The trimmer can be shifted out of the way so that you can pour right up to catch basins or other obstacles. Costly hand tie-ins are reduced to 2 to 3 feet, increasing production and cutting cost. For sidewalk pours, extensions can be easily added for trimming up to 78 inches wide. Danny Leggett of McQueen Contracting in Mississippi ran a competitor's big machine for years until he traded it for a 5700B. Danny says there's no comparison in trimming capabilities.
Trimmer's very good. I've had it in some real heavy, thick stuff. In comparison to the other machine I used, this thing will probably cut 2 to 3 times as much material out of the way.
The Super Bee is equipped with a 133 horsepower charge-air cooled Deutz diesel engine. This 50% increase in power gives you more trimming capabilities and better performance on steep grades. It has the lowest operating cost of machines this size. This powerful engine, coupled with the closed-loop hydraulics, provides smooth, reliable operation of all machine functions. The 49-gallon fuel tank gives you a full day's production without refueling. In designing the Super Bee, we made operator comfort a priority. The machine is cooler, reducing operator fatigue and improving safety. Hydraulic and engine coolant radiators are now external and located in the front of the machine with hot air circulating away from the operator. Filters located at eye level are easy to reach and service. The redesigned operator control panel on the Super Bee puts controls within easy reach with less motion for the operator. By raising the control panel and catwalk several inches, we have provided the operator with a clear view of the rear of the mold, the chute man, and the string line. Adjusting vibration and travel speed is quick and easy, providing a finished concrete that needs little handwork. High production, a quality curb, and safety go hand in hand with the 5700 Super Bee. Flexibility and adapting to changing job conditions is one of the key ingredients to the success of the Super Bee. The hydraulic adjustable offset is a proven feature that provides both flexibility and versatility. This feature allows the operator to hydraulically adjust the mold and hopper up to 16 inches vertically and 24 inches horizontally. Jobs that are expensive handwork for other machines are all in a day's work for the Super Bee. Difficult road reconstruction projects can be slip-formed quickly and efficiently without a lot of wasted setup time. The adjustable offset allows you to place the crawler in the best position when pouring adjacent to an existing road. The mold can be easily dropped below grade.
The best thing really that I like about the curb machine is the simplicity of it. It is simple. It's easy to run. The maintenance on it is Very minimal on it. No upkeep. I've had very few problems with it.
The Super Bee can be adapted for special applications like placing stadium risers. A special mold, combined with our engineering and field service expertise, enables you to slip form the risers at least 4 times faster than by hand. Camden Yards in Baltimore, an Olympic stadium in Atlanta, and a professional soccer stadium in Peru that seats over 100,000 spectators are among the stadiums our contractors have done. Special molds have also allowed contractors to slip form foundations for the agricultural industry. From poultry house foundations in Delaware to 10-foot wide cattle beds in California, the 5700 Super Bee is a versatile money maker. Special projects like these can be another money maker for you. A standard feature on the Super Bee is the rear straddle leg. The right rear crawler can be hydraulically side shifted up to 24 inches for added stability or for avoiding obstacles in the road. It adds balance and stability when pouring large offset sections such as sidewalk or median barrier. It can then be retracted for transport at legal width. One of the most popular options on the Super Bee is the Quick Connect mold mount. Changing molds is reduced to a matter of minutes, reducing downtime and increasing production. The hopper is suspended from the auger and the mold is hydraulically released. The new mold is then picked up hydraulically and the hopper is swung into place. No one else does it as quickly or as easily. The machine is then back online making money. Another plus with the 5700 Super Bee is the option of an analog control system or a digital network control system. Many of our customers like our proven analog system that we've used for 20 years. Its simplicity and reliability make the machine easy to operate. Others choose the digital network control system with its advanced electronics. For contractors pouring curb and gutter that transitions from catch to spill or inflow to outflow, the slope compensation automatically adjusts grade elevation and steering alignment to maintain a consistent top and back of curb, saving time and reducing manual adjustments. If you're looking for one machine to do it all, you can't beat the versatility of the Super Bee. It can pour a 2-foot radius one day and a median barrier, bridge parapet, sidewalk, golf cart path, or irrigation ditch the next. With a standard weight of 23,500 pounds and the powerful 133 horsepower Deutz diesel, the Super Bee has the muscle to tackle just about any barrier or parapet job up to 50 inches tall. With the standard 36-inch post lift, the mold can be lifted off reinforcing steel with ease. No other machine offers this kind of flexibility in a compact, affordable package. The 5700 Super Bee also pours sidewalk, monolithic curb gutter and sidewalk up to 6 feet wide in the offset position. The low center of gravity, 23,500 pound weight, and right rear straddle leg give the machine the weight and stability to handle large offset applications. The machine can be easily set up for sidewalk adjacent to back of curb or for pouring over a planter strip. Production rates of several thousand feet per day are common with sidewalk applications. Bike trails and golf cart paths up to 10 feet wide can be slip formed in the center pour position. The auger and trimmer are removed and concrete is fed into a hopper on the front of the paving mold. The mobility of the 5700 Super Bee is unmatched by any other machine on the market today. The machine transports at legal width, so no disassembly or special permits are needed in moving the machine from job to job. At the end of the day's pour, the 5700 Super Bee can be cleaned quickly and prepared for transport. The standard stainless steel water tank holds 88 gallons. The high-pressure washer has an adjustable nozzle that can provide high-pressure water for machine cleanup as well as low-pressure water for use by the curb crew. Because the auger is completely enclosed, the machine stays cleaner, reducing cleanup time. The sensors are removed from the machine and mounted in the large toolbox on the rear of the machine. The machine is then cleaned and ready to be loaded onto the trailer for transport to the next job. There's no wasted downtime or disassembly needed. At Power Curbers, we try to anticipate your machine needs and, more importantly, your expectations. Our mission statement, "Our commitment shows," is a way of life. The 5700 Super Bee is the result of our dedication and commitment to our customers. So if you're looking for that competitive edge that will lower your cost and increase your production, the Power Curber 5700 Super Bee is the machine for you. Give us a call today or contact your local Power Curber distributor for more information.